Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. Yesterday we played along with 30 days of sketches and I did this layout. Today's sketch has a lot of little teeny tiny photos in it, and it's created by Helen Ding, and I'll show you this. And I definitely don't have that many photos right now. I'm sure if I would have planned ahead, I could have printed some for this to make this happen, but I don't. And I'm actually going super small. Instead of doing a spread that is a 12 by 24, I'm doing a 6 by 12. So let's see what I can do. All right, guys, so as you can see, I am using this piece of paper. It is a 6 by 12 piece of paper. This is that funky colored mixed color paper that I used yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before for the Evil Beautiful layout that I did? Now I am taking the inspiration from the long title block on the very left hand side of the page, and that's where I'm getting this purple floral. Now, I am also going to say that those stripes represent all of the fun little photos and things that are in that sketch. Now, I love this sketch. I think it's fabulous for when you have a ton of photos that you want to get on a layout, right? But I'm working through this. I'm on a roll with it. I'm feeling good about my layouts. I'm feeling good about the album. I still think it needs to be in a more fun album than what it is, like the actual physical album, but I'm feeling good about it, you know, and I don't want to mess that up. So I am, instead of going and searching through my photos or printing photos, which, you know, is an option, what I'm doing is making the sketch work for me and getting inspiration from it, and that's what I'm doing. Now, I did not like how my photo almost matched up exactly with where the two papers met up, so I went ahead and put that washi tape on there. I did layer up the washi tapes to have 2 layers on it, so I guess like cheater hack, if you want to use up washi tape, double it up, but that isn't the point. The point was I did not want it to be so translucent, right? Like I wanted you to actually be able to see that washi tape and the color, because it's a darker version of the mint in the striped paper. Now I'm also trying to figure out what in the world I am going to spell with these letters that I have. Obviously I have some packs that have letters already out of them, and I'm just trying to make it work. Now, I do have Y's in that other pack, but I just decided that I was going to take the X and cut off one of its legs, and voila, you got a Y, right? So I've got that down, and now I'm going to spell out fairy tale, and then I'll add another word as well. So I'm taking this inspiration from the sketch too, which is that long title block, and I am going to put a long title that reads in this direction. So as I just saw my head in the screen and the purple on my scalp, so I have had my hair purple for a little while now, and how they did it was she did foil highlights, took me down to like almost white blonde, and then put the purple over that, because obviously it's not going to see over my natural hair color, which is darker. And I use a purple shampoo, and it's a color depositing shampoo. So yes, my shower pan in my shower has a light shade of lilac. Have to bleach that sucker to get it out, and it also side effects turns my scalp a lovely shade of lavender. So in case anyone was wondering, or you saw the thumbnail picture before I changed it, because I don't make a thumbnail, you guys. I just don't. Right? Like, I just don't. Although everyone tells you you should, I don't. And I let YouTube pick the thumbnails. But lately, and they go through spurts of this, where they pick a thumbnail where my head is covering up. And when I saw that, I was like, oh, there's my head and my lavender lilac-y colored scalp. So yeah, there is that. Anyway, I go ahead and put this word down. My words are down. Fairy Tale Life. I've got a little bit of a decoration over there in the upper right hand corner. And then I throw on this bird because in all the Disney fairy tales, the princess is singing with some birds, right? So I figured this would be perfect for that. And that is Rapunzel's tower right there, just in case anyone was wondering. So anyway, guys, that is going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.